Imagine diving into a cake so rich, so indulgent, and so decadently chocolatey that your taste buds feel like they've been transported to a world of pure cocoa bliss. Picture layers of moist chocolate cake sandwiched between creamy chocolate ganache, all blanketed under a cascading waterfall of velvety chocolate glaze. Welcome to the journey of crafting the triple chocolate decadence cake. Our journey begins with the heart of our cake, the chocolate base. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, in a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, a cup of milk, ½ cup of vegetable oil, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Gradually blend these wet ingredients into the dry mixture until it forms a smooth batter. Pour this heavenly concoction into 2 9-inch round cake pans and bake for about 30 minutes. While our cake layers are baking to perfection, it's time to whip up the first of our 3 chocolate components, the ganache. Heat up a cup of heavy cream until it's just about to boil, and then pour it over 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Stir it gently until the chocolate melts into the cream, forming a glossy and smooth ganache. Once the cake layers have cooled, it's time to assemble. Spread a generous layer of ganache between the 2 layers, and then envelop the cake with the remaining ganache, ensuring every inch is covered. Last but not least, it's time to prepare the final touch, the chocolate glaze. Mix together a 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 2 cups of powdered sugar, and a 1/4 cup of warm water. Drizzle this luscious glaze over the ganache-covered cake and watch as it cascades down the sides, creating an irresistible, glossy finish. To recap, start by creating a rich chocolate cake base, followed by a creamy chocolate ganache filling and topping. Finally, finish it off with a velvety chocolate glaze. And there you have it, the triple chocolate decadence cake. A cake so indulgent, it's a chocolate lover's dream come true. So go forth and create this masterpiece. Transform your kitchen into a haven of chocolatey bliss and let every bite transport you to a world of pure indulgence. Remember, when it comes to the triple chocolate decadence cake, there's no such thing as too much chocolate. And that's the journey to creating the ultimate chocolate fantasy. Armed with this recipe, you're well on your way to becoming the chocolatier of your dreams. So take a deep breath, roll up your sleeves, and let the chocolate extravaganza begin. Enjoy the ride!